What's up, guys? It's Avocado Racing coming at you. I had a plan on doing a race tonight, but that's not gonna happen. Look at this. Look at this shit. It is pouring down rain. Listen, just listen. This is unbelievable. And it's getting a lot harder. I want to stand back. The sun's actually out, but it's really coming down. This is what we get in the Lancaster, Palmdale area around this time of year, monsoon season. This came out of nowhere, actually. Listen to that. Crazy. It's just absolutely crazy. The streets are flooded. Listen. That's nuts. The streets are flooded. I'm going to show you if you can't see it. Look at that. Look at that truck. Look at that. Look at that shit. The streets are flooded over here. It's really bad. We are under a severe thunderstorm warning right now, and it's actually starting to let up. So yeah, the highest point of my day is a thunderstorm. So most likely no races tonight. Maybe tomorrow, or maybe tonight. Maybe tonight if the rain lets up and this lightning and thunder goes away. Speaking of thunder, yeah, it's kind of crazy. All right, guys. Till next time, I'm gonna go get dry. Till next time, peace, love, and keep rocking out.